Text in Test 4, page 57, question 3, part 1. A balloon X is 200 metres vertically above a point Y on level ground. 2 points P and Q are also on level ground. The angle of elevation of X from P is 48 degrees. The angle of elevation of X from Q is 34 degrees. Part 1 of the question is to find the length of the line PY and the length of the line QY correct to the nearest metre. Quite simply, we're going to use the tan here. We have the angle, we have the length of the line opposite the angle, and we're looking for the adjacent. Similarly, to find the length of the line QY, we have the angle, we have the length of the line opposite the angle, and we're looking for the adjacent. So the length of the line PY, we're using tan, which is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So we have the tan of 48 equals 200 over the adjacent. Moving the tan of 48 over the equal sign and the adjacent over the equal sign, we get the adjacent is equal to 200 over the tan of 48. So the adjacent is equal to 180.08. So the length of the line PY correct to the nearest metre is 180 metres. Moving on to the length of the line QY, again we're using the tan equals the opposite over the adjacent. So we get the tan of 34 equals 200 over the adjacent. Moving the tan of 34 over the equal sign and the adjacent over the equal sign, we get the adjacent is equal to 200 over the tan of 200 over the tan of 34. So the adjacent is equal to 296.5. So the length of the line QY correct to the nearest metre is 297 metres.